Hey June, Gerald isn't available today. Can you help us introduce the new products?
Sure, I can do that. There'll be a lot of new product launches and exciting activities coming up. Let's go! Hey everyone, I'm June. 2026 is a big year for Gaahleri and Kido Color Works with major changes ahead. Our product roadmap and active surveys are available on our website. Find the link in the description below. Transitioning to our first product, let's talk about the heart of your painting station. It's small but powerful. We're very proud to introduce you to the Turbox Mini.
Introducing the Turbox Mini, designed for the modern creative workspace. Built with high-strength ABS, its refined, aluminum-like finish reflects a balance between durability, precision, and design intention. It fits effortlessly into any setup, from compact workbenches and shared studios to mobile, on-the-go creative environments. Inside, we've completely re-engineered the compression system. Through advanced noise dampening and vibration control design, it delivers higher performance. Turbox Mini introduces digital control with real-time visual feedback. Air pressure and system status are continuously monitored. 3 configurable quick-access buttons, combined with a stepless adjustment dial, make precision feel intuitive. From scale models in automotive projects to mecha, miniatures, airbrush illustration, and even 3D printing applications, an integrated intelligent thermal system monitors operating conditions in real time, providing early warnings before overheating occurs, so you can work with confidence without interruption. Turbox Mini delivers 20% higher maximum air pressure than the previous generation, making it capable of handling larger, more demanding projects. With a simple switch, it shifts from standard output to a dedicated low-pressure mode, and ideal for 0.2mm airbrushes. Turbox Mini, a small form with the heart of a giant.
Small but powerful performance. The digital display provides instant, real-time air pressure and system status, a rare feature in a compact compressor. If you're new to air pressure, we've tested all our airbrushes and their working pressure parameters, available on our website. Control is easy with the Turbox Mini's dial. Press for low, medium or high presets, or rotate to adjust pressure. The display shows PSI and bar, adding convenience. Turbox Mini also comes with some safety features. Our built-in overheat warning system provides high temperature warning and overheat protection, protecting your mini air compressor and prolonging its lifespan. The 4mm thick reinforced casing, combined with multi-layer noise reduction materials, reduces operating noise to less than 48 decibels. We designed the Turbox Mini to be convenient, compact, and powerful. It's great for all airbrush users, particularly beginners. Included are the built-in holder, hose, and power supplies. Everything you need to get started. Now, moving on to our next innovation. This product is specially formulated for painting glass parts, signal lights, and transparent details. But when combined with metallic undercoat, it transforms into something totally different and certainly eye-candy. Let me introduce you to the Kido Color Works' new paint lineup, the translucent colors. We're happy to offer you these 12 translucent colors to enhance the visibility of details, such as signal lights, windscreens, and clear canopies. Over metallic undercoats, these paints create stunning candy colors widely used in automotive finishes. We have extensively tested how each looks with silver or gold bases. Note that these results vary with number of layers. Learn more about translucent colors on our website, link in the description. Alongside translucent colors, we're also adding 24 new primary colors, bringing our palette to 120. While that may not seem much, remember, Kido Color Works are high-performance water-based acrylics with a complex one color, one formula process. This release includes our first 12 matte colors, excellent for matte finishes straight from the bottle. We'll keep expanding matte options based on your survey feedback. Translucent colors are available in 20 ml individual bottles or a 12 color set. Our new primary colors also come in 20 ml bottles, a 24 color set, and a 12 matte color set available today. 2026 is truly special as we expand into the new digital frontier to enhance your painting experience. Our efforts have focused on creating online tools that make mixing, planning, and managing your colors easier. We are thankful to all our beta testers, whose feedback helped us refine these resources. With the beta now closed, let me introduce you to the Kido Color Works major digital innovation. Kido Color Lab is an advanced digital color mixer designed to accurately simulate the real-life colors of Kido Color Works. This online platform helps you experiment with color mixing without wasting materials, making it easier to plan your projects and track your preferred color combinations. Save your favorite mixes, add notes, and manage your color selections virtually. You can upload images, pick a color, or enter target color code to get instant mix suggestions or see the closest real paint matches. We're continuously improving the website with new features, including options for pearl and metallic effects to make your digital and real-world painting experience seamless. For more Kido Color Lab's capabilities and updates, visit kidocolorlab.com. As we wrap up our product announcements, let's look at what else is happening in Q2 of 2026. We're also excited to introduce you to the Gaahleri World Creator Cup, or in short, GWCC, the biggest online competition to date, with multiple categories and prizes worth $30,000 in cash and product value. First, let's talk about the categories available for 2026. We have sci-fi, auto, miniature, military, 3D printing and design, and last but not least, product design. Every category has its own set of judging criteria, judges, and prizes. Other than that, you can also vote for your favorite works of art, and those votes will be factored into the final scoring. So, your opinion and vote matter. Registration starts today, April 7th, and close on May 7th on our info site. While the official GWCC website will be live on May 8th, where you can see each participant in each category and their respective timelines for weekly updates on their projects. Audience can interact with participants by liking or commenting on their posts. This is a first in the industry, letting you be part of the competition process. Winners will be announced on September 9th, 2026. All details are linked in the description. Before we end, a few updates. Our support and after-sales website launches on May 1st. There, you can manage products, read articles, troubleshoot, and learn about your items all in one place. Our summer tour moves from planning to location scouting, promising 2-day experience with games, product testing, workshops, and free photography, and chances to meet the community. So stay tuned for location announcements soon. At Gaahleri, we always seek ways to enhance your experience, whether that's product quality, after-sales support, digital tools, or on-site events. We believe every aspect matters. Thank you for your continued support. Everything you need is linked in the description. See you next time!